What is up, guys? We're going to a meet. It's in New Hampshire, Salem, New Hampshire, and it's gonna be lit. There's a lot of people that are gonna be going over there, so I'm actually gonna start heading over there right now. I'm actually wash my car and then head over there because my car is dirty. But there was a whole bunch of motorcycles here, and some shorty fell in a motorcycle. It was the funniest thing ever. But I'm gonna catch you guys when we're over there at the meet. So guys, we made it to the meet. There's somebody doing donuts back there. We made it to the meet. My car's right there. Unlock it. Everybody's going over there to check it out. Everybody's moving over there. Sorry. Oh my God! This guy looks. One more time. Oh, it's the Beamer. Oh, he almost crashed. Let that soak in, guys. Oh, donut. Almost, look how close it was. I got it all.
Yo. How's it gonna go with
Everybody pulled up over here.
No, facts. I thought they would my hair.
That was a fun time. Oh, I like this one. I like those rims. RPF ones. Come on over here. And we got my main mans. Yo, make sure you guys follow this nigga on IG real quick. Bro, this car is always late. I think he's gonna do a burnout. Babe, move out of the way. He's gonna do a burnout. Oh, this one's like a good one. Do it! That was a smooth burnout that he was doing back there. Oh, 350C. Oh, look at this R32, guys. Yeah, is it cool if I film this? Is it cool if I film it? Yeah. Alright, dope. Jeez. How long you got this? How long you got this for?
How long I had it?
Yeah.
I don't know, probably 5 months now.
Smooth, yo. You done anything to it?
Just a muffler delete, some wheels and tires, and some speakers.
Sure, I would do so much thing to this car. My car's over there, like right there, the Audi.
Yeah.
I'm actually doing this for a YouTube video, so
Oh,
yeah.
nice. Yeah.
Yeah, it's lit. Say it again?
T Mahoney too.
Yeah.
Yeah, hit me up.
You guys?
Yeah, it's a snack mobile right now. We just got the chips.
Smooth, bro. I love this car, yeah. Oh, look at this. You got the flip plate so they don't see it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's smooth.
That's factory.
That's factory?
That's an original piece. There's just one clip with a bolt behind the plate. You take that out and it's a fold-up plate.
That's fucking amazing.
Yeah.
What the hell? I'm finna get that. Nah, Subaru over there look nice too. But yeah, bro, I love this car, bro.
Yeah,
you have it in mint condition too.
Yeah, I'm a detailer, so I try to keep
Oh, you did? Of course, then. Smooth, bro. I like the wing is crazy. Yo, the rims thick. I like this Beamer. Oh, look at that exhaust, guys. Ah, damn.
But it says midi look.
I should get that sticker. Midi look. Oh, the small Miata. That shit is nice. This is like on the floor. It's nice. Yo, look at that. Look at this exhaust. God damn. Oh. How does you want to see, bro? Yeah, these Audis, guys. I like this one. This one looks snow. Some bags. Oh, Sylvia. Big ass intercooler. That's the type of intercooler I need.
He ran the same one as me.
Somebody's done a burnout over there, or a car got on fire. God damn, that shit is crazy.
Instagram right there.
Yeah, I flashed it already. each other like crazy. People were like all around my car, listening to it backfire and everything. I like, if I find the video, I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna put it here so you guys can see it. But yo, it was wild. There was a GTR that was spitting pure flame. It was crazy. But right now I'm actually going home. We went to buy food and we are gonna return, but by the time we came back, there was cops everywhere. So we just decided to go home from there. But it was crazy. Lots of nice cars. I didn't get to take pictures. Oh, it sucks. But see you in the next meet.